Alright, hello again. It's Sean, and I recently ordered this model kit. Ooh, I'm going to put it up on the ledge, at least the tripod, so that you can see. There you go. Now you can see it. I recently ordered this model kit from Federation Models. It is the Motion Picture Enterprise AMT, the very first one they released way back in 1979. This one actually has the smooth hull. You can see it says 1979 right on the top of the box. So let's see. Let's take a look at the side of the box. Okay, I can see the ship, display stand, stickers, rainbow effect decals. All right, let's see what else we've got here. There's a picture of the ship. The back shows the different display angles for the model itself and the details. All right, so this is the one that I'm going to use the A Creation model decals for. So let's see what it looks like inside. All right, so there's the lid. Okay. Yeah, now it's very yellowed, but then again, primer will take care of all of it. So let's see. Here's the instructions. Shows everything that's in the kit. Looks like pretty strong nacelle attachments. We'll see when I take out the parts. That looks like a wiring harness for the saucer lights. Well, we'll see if they actually work. I don't do wiring myself. And stickers all over. Well, we'll see what we get. All right, so you got the saucer top. Look, you can tell through the bag. This saucer is completely smooth. No engraving. That's why I got it. And of course, you have the lights. Now, I don't know if these lights will work or not, or if I'll use them. But imagine having something from 1979. And I'll be back. I'm going to open the bags, replace them with the better Ziploc bags. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I can see that even back then, 42 years ago, they still hadn't scribed the fourth hatch, but I know how to do that. I did it once before. I can do it again. But you can see, completely smooth. No paneling. Look, it even has little lights. So that's perfect. And we'll take a look at the top saucer here. I know it's very yellow, but that's what the primer's for. So you got the, see how there's no lights poking through the top of the saucer? You'd have to use stickers or something. But it's quite good. Oh, let's do a test fit. Now I know when you don't have the window inserts yet. Oh, I have them all. But don't worry, that's what I have the other kits for. If I'm missing something. Yeah, let's see. There we go. Like so. That's just a rough fit. Looks good to me. That's just a rough fit. Okay, I'm open up the other bag, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this kit doesn't have all the stickers in it, but again, because you have all the decals and everything you need, you're fine. So let's just take a look here. You've got the secondary hull, and you see how it's a round stand hole, not a. It even has a little peg, little pegs for the stand holes to fit with the everything. It's amazing. There's a peg, there's a hole. That's perfect. I'm going to do some clipping so that I can get all the parts, hopefully, except for the saucer perhaps, in this bag. It'll work a lot better. Alright, here we go. So I can clip here. This way, actually. So that can fit in the bag. Alright, we've got the, at least, you should have all the saucer windows. Oh, I see them, Here we go. Ah, there you go, see? So you got 3 saucer rim windows still on the tree, and you have 3 that are loose. So that's part of the reason I'm going to put them all in the bag so they're safe. You know, I'm going to get some smaller bags too. I'll be right back. So let's see, I'm going to use these bags here, and that'll be for this ship. It'll be perfect. Getting some stuff out of the way here. Alright, so I can start by putting these 3 in here. Here's the shuttle bay. I assume that's part of the stand hole. Bridge, front nacelle, grill, sensor dish. Alright, so here you have a nacelle and 2 pylons and a front grill. Good. The other nacelle is here. Alright, so pegs and holes, pegs and holes. It's great though to have a nice smooth surface. You can see some faint grill work perhaps. Well, let's see if after, you know, if a 1979 kit actually does fit together. One minute. Yeah. It's clear that each nacelle and peg are specifically designed for each other to fit together, because there is peg holes. See? These 2 fit together perfectly. There we go. Which means that these 2 should fit together. The stands holes are in different spots on each nacelle, so you don't get the 2 hats confused. That's quite amazing. See, there you go. There you go. That's good. Alright, this is the base already put together. Look at that. Now, it is possible, however unlikely, that will fit in the bottom of the hull. And you would just fit the stand here. Yep, this way. Right in there. There you go. It does fit. That's excellent. And you see the side of the neck, the bridge back docking port, the torpedo launcher, the neck itself. And of course, nacelle pylon. So let's see. Let's make sure that this one fits together properly. Again, you can see it's completely smooth. There you go. That's quite good. You just need a bit of clamping, but it looks like fit together, and you can see it's completely smooth, just like the others parts of the ship. So that's great. I got a Smoothie, and according to the Federation models thing, it only cost me $35. It was wonderful. Now, if I put the nacelles in, they're going to have to go diagonally. But I'm going to cut apart a few parts and put them in the bag before I go for my walk, or I could do it after. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you the model. And it's great. This is now my second oldest model. My 1976 Titanic. It's 3 years older, but this model came out when I was 1 year old in 1979. It's great that I found one. And look, if you look carefully on the box, you'll see it actually says Matchbox and AMT. It's incredible. Anyway, that's all for now, and I'll show you more when I start building this one. Talk to you all later. Bye-bye.